Last year never going well. New year I'm still can't.
Yo. So vlog girl, I'm at move right now. I know daytime. Me up on the road. I run some errands again. Me there the mechanic. Me go do a oil change on the truck. I never get to do it. So now me go do a oil change on the truck. And then go grab some equipment real quick. And then me I try plan up something then. Ricky called me and tell me say I'm free a little more. So hopefully we can use Ricky later to shoot in a short film. And I go link Danny and see if Danny free to or somebody else. Cause I'll probably use 3 somebody or 2. But I want to shoot something today. Hopefully I get to shoot something today. The man them wait for me to drive in the car in the place. But I make that video first before I drive in the car. But go and journey with me as I do it for you vlog. You see it, a mad thing. Nah lie, a Dodge me did supposed to go, but me not got Dodge. Dodge too expensive. So I support small business, you see me? Man, I'm gonna do a good job, see him here. See that? I start already. I'm just a security, you know. So right now I go just sit down here and go and wait till them done. Yeah. Alright, so catch you free. Right now I'm there at a tire shop. And them gonna look the tire for me. They change the front tire. Them gonna look the front tire for me. I don't know what them are saying. But the boss gonna look the tire for me. So my car there stranded. You know from when me feel it. You take off my tire and say they're gonna look for the tire in the next shop. And I know. So people, me just left the shop, the tire shop. Just jump in the car. I go link Slime real quick. I message Ricky to see if Ricky I go free tonight. The other youth not respond to me yet when I did link. So I don't know how it go on tonight, to be honest. I don't know if me even go shoot, cause Ricky did their work and Ricky said me that go half. So then probably get caught up at work. I not pressure it still. You know? Yeah, but I go link Slime real quick and then see why if me still I go try and make something tonight. Or what? I don't know yet, but me I keep on up to date and make you know what I go on. So go on journey with me as we do it for the vlog. I'm at thing. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we reached on the first scene, right? We're there on a Ricky shop. Just parked. Ricky just parked too. And we're in the shop, you see me? So our first location. Yo! How you gone? So something for you vlog. How you dog? Oh, she take on shit, sorry. So Ricky that building. Yo. Yeah, Ricky I got mash works in that little another little short film here with me a plan. We probably switch it up, we don't know yet, but me I shoot something. But some killing I go on. Probably me and Ricky murder somebody. Really? And then me and him. Me can't tell you what I go on, but make sure you watch that one, yeah. Me I try see what we can do tonight. Oh, I think I want gun. You know my money for this? You know, let me get you. Oh. Yo, too forward. Oh yeah, and that video I gonna tell you bring in Jacob. Bring in Jacob. We have guns like wow.
It's fake guns.
Fake, prop. Yeah, make sure you watch your film. Alright vlog girls, so we're there for a set. This is our first scene. Right now, we can't tell you what go on, but just know say we get some more actors. Slime there in the place. And Ricky. So we're about to plan out the first scene right now, so you can stay tuned for that. We have set up the camera and thing, but just know say somebody are dead. When you watch it, we're not gonna see how we are. So watch out with the fan set. Every man has said. And his brother are eat. Why we are shooting? Alright, ready again?
So you doing the whole thing?
Yeah. So remember, after we thump you and them something there, ball out there, I tell you where the bag there. As me go for the bag.
So why the queue? Why the queue for it? Because I'm not going to know why the to turn me in.
So vlog girl, we there shoot. Me I set a freak and me have on the set here. We there do the next scene. This is the last scene for we close. We are trying to get some current because I like them dead. All I batch them on mobile, you like them dead. The charger there for this. Let me see if it will work. Fuck you right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Blood clot. No, you have to, oh, it work. It work. We have light. We're ready now. We have light. Stop and plug it in. Alright, we'll move forward. So vlog girl, we're about to leave right now. We just shoot over this and thing. A beehive car there out there. Beehive car there out there. Watch on here. Step on the gas. Step on the gas. Step on it now. Me no hear no. This turn on.
The lights ain't even on yet.
What's over there? This not me wear nice. No nice? Blood clot. That's something miss on, you know. RT, this is a RT. Oh, SRT, rascal. Ras. Show them where you are. Rascal. Yo, that's on too demonic. Ricky carry this, Ricky new carry this. You always see Ricky. Yeah, you always see Ricky switch out car. A mad thing watching out, then line out.
Yo, tell him to do the, what you call it?
Burnout?
Yo!
Oh, that's so. You think the man them want done them, burn out them gas? You think the man them want burn out them gas? You think them want burn out them gas? Yo, slime there and yam food. Oh, you hide the food. You might hide the food. I'm gonna put them in my bag. Shit. People, we just done shoot. I'm so excited. I can't wait to go home and edit everything for y'all. My camera bag is a mess, but I can't wait till I go home to edit everything and show you what we do today. This was quick, remember? Eh?
Yo, man, say you can't dead so. You have to basically do a part two.
Your brother?
Yes, so the brother thing when they put that, so somebody have to dead.
Wait, we're gonna make them vote. When we drop this, well, we can't make no vote. When we edit it, it's all up to when we edit it and see it done. We're going to see how it turn out, and then we can judge it. See if we're going to turn this in our series, or a part 1, part 2 type shit, you know? We're going to see how we do it when we're done. But everybody line up bout for sure out. Big up to them man for forward out, and set for help you out. Big up and respect, you see me? Slime there, you can't see him because he can't. I'm gonna play a game in there. Ricky,
yo.
Everybody about to go home right now.
Yo, brother them.
Wanna drive safe? Alright. How about that? And an aisle. An aisle? An AC man. I can't aisle. So, the vlog is still around. We dey on way I go home. And thing. It was fun shooting. I hope everything goes smooth, guys. Please. Eh? Get your spaceship, alright. Oh, to the spaceship. That bitch looks sexy. Alright. As me that say. Eh? As me that say, I'm glad say we shoot and done. I did well want to shoot and we finally shoot something. Now I'm me if you hurry up and do it and make one see it, you see me? We are packed up for go home now, late in the night, 12:18. Damn. Me I go home, you know, I'm hungry. So now catch you back. Catch you back when we reach home. So vlog girl, what I go on? Me reach home, you know, and thing. Me I check the footage right now. Guess what I forget to do? Excuse me. I forget for alright, the mic, I should have level it to where me I shoot. Me never do that. I just plug in the mic. So what happened right now, everything record loud. Extra loud. So I have to go find a way to fix this. Me couldn't know right now. None of the man them don't know yet. Because they can't tell me there, so still I'm gonna watch it. Watch it out first before me edit it. If you hear something on that, cause she right there, so I clear that. Oh, okay, let me show you. She there, so look how she clear my plate.
Stop! You didn't leave that much for me.
I didn't leave that much? Wait, just now?
Yeah.
But you ate though.
I know, but I told you to leave some for me.
So
Don't do me like that.
My day is stressed out right now, cause I think this is like tough, you know. But from how it look already, you can know so the quality up. I don't even laugh. And this flat, no color not add to it yet or nothing. And the fucking shit loud, record loud. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna figure it out though. I'm not start editing yet. But right now almost 1:30. So I think I'm gonna take a nap. This has stressed me already. Imagine, I stress out the man if we shoot the shit. We shoot the shit now this happen. I'm gonna go try to fix this by any means necessary. I'm gonna try to fix it. But thanks for watching. I'm gonna end the vlog right here, so. Hi, I hope I can fix this, really. As you can see, I'm tired too, you know. Put my eye them out, them look glassy.
Sleeping. Do it in the morning.
I'll wake up and do it tomorrow. Can't do it now. At least when I edit different piece, I show them in a day. Timeline now, see. Alright, I'm gonna sleep. Alright, so vlogger. I'm gonna end the vlog right there, so thanks for watching. And pray with me. I hope this come out good. Cause so far, I watch it and so my footage extra loud. I have to go find a way to level them out. I don't know. But thanks for watching again. And big up on yourself. All I man them will watch it so night. Keep on the finger crossed. Cause if it not come out good, I go just. I don't know. I go see what I can do. Me fuck up again.
Me I try to elevate. Me really want to elevate up. Me I try to elevate. Me know me I go elevate up.